So now we want to talk about that group data and finding the center of that group data. So let's go back to something. I'm going to make up a little bit simpler, just frequency table here. I'm going to look at the number of kids people have. We're going to go 1, 2, or 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 kids. Let's say that nobody in our sample had more than 4 kids. Our frequency, so we got 12 with 0 kids, 19 that have 1 kid, 13 with 2 kids, 4 with 3, and 2 with 4. I think that'll add up, I hope. To find the mean of this, what we're looking at here is we need to add them all up. Remember, the mean is found by adding up the numbers and dividing by how many are there, dividing by n. Well, first of all, we can find n here pretty simply. N is going to be the total frequency here. If I add those all up, I should get 50, I hope. That's what I was hoping for. Okay, good. So n is 50. There's 50 items, 50 values in this set, or in this sample. Now to find the total, adding up each value. Not as difficult as it looks. How many zeros are there? 12, right? Well, 12 zeros adds up to a total of 0, right? 0 plus 0 plus 0. So I'm taking the number times its frequency. 0 times 12 is 0. I have 19 ones. What does that add up to? 19. 1 times 19 is 19. I have 13 twos. That's going to be 26. Yeah, 2 times 13 is 26. 3 fours, or 4 threes, sorry. 3 times 4 is 12. Good. And 4 times 2, 8. So that's going to add up to 65. So I multiplied each number times its frequency. All that is adding them up. You know, I have 12 zeros, 19 ones, 13 twos, 4 threes, and 2 fours. How do you think I'm going to find the mean from there? Well, this is the number. This is the sum of all my numbers added up. And I divide by n, which is 50. My mean is 1.3. You can't have 1.3 kids, but the mean doesn't have to be one of the data values. So what we're saying is on average, people have between 1 and 2 kids. 1.3 kids is going to be the mean. You hear it all the time. The average household in the United States has 1.8 kids. Same thing. That's exactly what they're doing. The median is the middle data point. Now here you couldn't cross them off, you know, largest and smallest and find them in the middle. So we're going to take 0.5 times 50, because n is 50, bless you, gives us 25. Since that is a whole number, what does that mean? It's between the 25th and 26th number in the list. How do we find the 25th and 26th number? I said this cumulative frequency comes in handy. This is where it comes in handy. There's 12 zeros. That's going to be 12 is the cumulative frequency for 0. There's 19 ones plus the 12 zeros. That's 31. 13 twos plus the others is 43. 4 threes, now at 47. Oops, something that I had something wrong there. That should be 44 or something. Even simple math is failing me at this point in the night. And then the 2 4s now adds up to 50. So I've got a total of 50. That's my frequency. That means I should be good. What this cumulative frequency is saying, how many are at or below that value. Well, I can use that to find my median. My median is between the 25th and 26th value. Well, there's 12 zeros. It's not in there, is it? But there's 31 numbers that are at or below 1, aren't there? So the 26th, the 25th, and 26th fall between 12 and 31, doesn't it? So the median, the 25th and 26th numbers, if I were to list these out, 12 zeros, however many ones, blah, 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 the 25th and 26th numbers would both be 1s. So the median is 1. The mode's really simple to find. Which one's the mode? Yeah, 1. It's the largest frequency is 19, so that's the mode, 1. Perfect. We could go with the grouped data and find the median, or the mean and the median of those, but those are approximate, and we're not going to waste our time on that.